Understanding molarity better. That's what this video is about. But before we can understand what molarity is, we have to know what a solution is. A solution consists of a solute and a solvent that are mixed together to make a solution, which is also called a homogeneous mixture. In the example that I have here, I have the salt, which is the solute, which is going to go into the water, which the water is a solvent, by the way. They're going to get mixed up and they're going to make the solution in this example, which is salt water. So this would be an example of a solution. Molarity refers to concentration, and molarity determines the concentration of a solution. The formula for molarity is capital M, which molarity equals moles of solute for every 1 liter of solution. In a simple way, you can think of it as concentration, because that's what molarity is. Concentration equals solute divided by solution. But you just have to keep in mind the units in the beginning. So why molarity? And what's it used for? What is the benefit of it? In molarity, we use the mole number, which is a huge number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power, to be able to scale up or enlarge particles from a solute, which are present in a solution. So that way we can know how concentrated that sample of solution is based on the amount of solute. In other words, moles help us count the amount of particles we have in the solute present in the solution. And the formula for molarity is moles of solute, meaning the amount of particles we have from the solute for every 1 liter of solution made. So here in the bottom, we have 2 different samples of salt water. The first sample is diluted, meaning only a little bit of salt was added to it. In the second example, more salt was added to it, and therefore this sample here on the right side is more concentrated. So the same amount of water in both beakers, with the difference that on the first sample, it doesn't have that much solute. It doesn't have that much salt. In the second example, it has more salt, more solute, more concentrated. So know the difference between diluted and concentrated. So this is a more in-depth version of what molarity is. Molarity allows us to express the concentration of a solution by measuring the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. By using Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power, which represents the number of particles in 1 mole of a substance, we can scale up from individual particles to understand the concentration of the solution accurately. And the formula for molarity, as I mentioned before, is moles of solute divided by liters of solution, which gives us the concentration of the solute in terms of moles per liter.